কি মজা যে মজা
Hello everyone, welcome back to my vlog again. I hope all of you are doing so well. Right now you can see that I'm walking on the river side. Today I'm going to river for fishing. So in this video I'm going to share all of you about fishing and also the beauty of my village river. So stay with me and enjoy the video. Right now summer is almost started. That's why the river is almost dry out. You can see that the water level is so low, and you can see there are a lot of paddy field here, and nuts are planted on a river side. And you also can find here various vegetables like pumpkins, then eggplants, chilies also planted here. You can see that is a hill. It's so beautiful. Look at that, guys. What a beautiful river. You can see there is a hill, the mountain. It's so beautiful. Wow, I love this place. It's so quiet and noiseless. You can find a fish everywhere. It looks so beautiful. Woo! This is a fish. Right now we get it from the river.
is this
Wow. Oh. Betul mah betul.
yeah
ইয়ে
স্যার চিংড়ি এগুলা
এত বড় বড় এটা আরো থাক মনে হয়
মানে পানি মানে গর্তে মানে হাত ডুবাইতে হয় না পানি এমনি গেলে এরা বের হয়ে আসে
এগুলা
হ্যাঁ
এত বড় চিংড়ি Oops, the fish, big fish. Oh, look at that. The fish. Oh.
ও এতগুলা মাছ এত মাছ ওয়াও
It looks so small, but it's so tasty, these fishes.
but it's very spicy
Especially I like this type of fish. That's why when I get time, I come here always and fishing here. Yeah, you can see that.
লিগে সাপ
Oh,
পড়ে
you
গেছে
can see.
মাছগুলো
Oops.
Wow, it is a big fish. Ah.
Hello guys, right now you can see that it is an old hut. It's almost damaged. Our farmer use it as a temporary house for living. So right now we are cooking our fish here. Then we will have our lunch. After that we will going to back our home. You can see that the place is so beautiful. It's really amazing. It's cool and quiet and so peaceful. Look at that. So amazing. I can stay here forever. Seriously, I mean it. I really love it. Look at that. My teammates, he is cooking.
Wow.
Hello guys, we can see that the fish is mixed with some ingredients. We mix here some garlic and onions and green chili also. Then we mix the garam masala, and also we are giving here some lemon juice for the flavor. Today we'll cook this fish by following our traditional cooking methods. You can see that we will cover this fish with banana leaves like this. What's up? Okay, now it's done. Now it's time to cook the fish. Now we'll put this fish on the fire. You can see that. Oh, it looks so beautiful. Ah, nice. It's very hot. Let's see. Oh, smell. I love the smell, man. Oh. This looks so tasty. So tasty. It's perfect. It's so tasty. I can feel the smell of banana leaves and also the lemon juice. It worked really amazing. Look at that. It's a big one. Okay.
Ah, que moda. De moda. Very tasty.